It's a new 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Timeless and sensual, this CLS is ready to provide a drive you will never forget. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo i6 engine, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, 4-corner auto leveling suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.